Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with blocking the number from your contact list, so the one you've got saved, and then I'll show you another way through, let's say, settings. So let's start with opening your contact list. You can do it using the dialer. Let's tap on the three bars icon and tap on contacts. Now let's find the contact which we'd like to block and tap on it, and scroll all the way down to find the option block numbers. Let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from the number. So just tap on block. And as you can see right here, we've got those characteristic icons, of course separately for two different numbers, and it means that the number has been blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to enter the blacklist, we have to get back to this dialer section, let's say, where we've got home, keypad and voicemail. And now let's tap on the three bars icon again. Tap on the settings. And here go to blocked numbers. And as you can see right here, we've got our blacklist, and those numbers are blocked from our contacts, so the previous option also works, as you can see. Here we can tap on add a phone number, and as you can see, we can enter it manually and tap on block, and it will be immediately applied on the blacklist, which again means that you will no longer receive calls or messages from this number. Moreover, at the top we've got the option unknown, which means that after turning it off just by tapping on the switcher, you can block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn it off the same way. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.